I'm pretty sure you would have heard this name called GoHighLevel multiple different times on YouTube and TikTok, Instagram, whatever it may be. The reason why is people want to make money with the affiliate marketing, all the money they can make from affiliate marketing, and they can sell this dream of making money instead of actually doing themselves. And if you can scroll on YouTube, you can see multiple different channels making videos just on this topic so that they can make money selling a dream to you. On the other hand, if you look at my YouTube, this YouTube channel started as a document. I tried multiple different business and I stuck with GoHighLevel web design, and I've been doing this for past 3 years. And as you can see, this is one of my client who is paying me 97 pounds every single month, and this is just the one page, and the last payment I got from July 30th, couple last week. And I have another client who was paying me 297 pounds again 3 years. They have been paying me 3 years. Last payment 17th of July last month. And this client I just got paid on August of 7th, just a couple of days ago. And again, same thing. I've been getting paid from back 3 years. And as you can see, this is my ad account. This is where I spend money to get more clients. And I have 97 leads with this ad set alone, and each lead is costing me $12. The reason why I'm showing you everything before letting you know, like, don't make the mistake which I'm doing and all the other people are doing. I'm letting you know that I'm not like affiliate marketer. I'm not making money with GoHighLevel affiliate. I'm making money with my own service delivery with the help of GoHighLevel. I sell websites, I sign them up for a monthly recurring revenue, and the payments you saw on the screen are the payment from the website hosting fee for each kind of service I'm providing. For example, these are the service I provide: 97 hosting fee, 297 and 497 hosting fee, a 1-page website, 5-page website, and 10-page website. And that's what you saw on my Stripe account, those clients. And that's not the only 3 clients I have. I have multiple different clients which is bringing in 25,000 in monthly recurring revenue. So before talking about the mistakes people make, let me explain what GoHighLevel is. GoHighLevel is a white label software which has all the services you can provide to like, let's say, tradesmen or all the local businesses. For example, we can build websites which clients needs. We can improve their 5-star review on a Google My Business page which client needs. We can automate all the clients which is coming through with the backend automation. We can send invoices, calendar booking, literally everything a client needs, we can deliver with our software, which is called GoHighLevel. So you can change the logo, change the domain name of the software, and make the software of your own. You can pitch to your clients that I am delivering this service with my own software. Because it's a white label software, instead of building your own software and delivering the service, you can just pay $297 to $497 a month as a subscription for this GoHighLevel, and you can sell this exact software multiple different times to other clients. And you can get paid $97 to $297 to $497 from each of these clients inside your agency. But at the same time, it's not easy as the gurus on YouTube make it sounds like it's easy. Everyone can do it. Yes, everyone can do it, but you need to have the mental resilience and you need to know what to do in order to get paid with these services. Just because you know how to build a website doesn't mean you're going to get clients. And yes, even my grandma can build a website with this AI tool. Anyone can do it. So what's the difference between you and my grandma if both can build these websites? The difference is getting clients for these services. That's why most of you guys struggle. And this is the exact moment you keep on hopping from one business model to another business model. So let me quickly explain why you are stuck in the same loop, not just with GoHighLevel, with any business you're doing. For example, let's say for this scenario, let's say you started using GoHighLevel and you couldn't make any money with the software. Knowledge and enthusiasm, and the time goes. Starting point. This is where you start something new and new project comes along, and in your head, after learning the skill, you will be thinking, oh, I will make money just like these YouTubers are making money. And then, why am I here? The valley of despair. And this is where you question everything, like, okay, you will think this is not for you, and you will think this is too saturated, and you will think this is too much effort, and you will think you are not good with this business model, and you will skip this business right here and go to the same thing again, where you will start from the same point with number 1. You go to number 2, you go to number 3, and you go to the number 4 before getting your first client. And you keep on doing this same loop again and again, and you never grow. And this is why most of you guys, it's not your fault, it's what you see on YouTube and Instagram. People make it look like it's easy. And when it's not easy, when you realize it's not easy, you will jump from one shiny object to another shiny object. And trust me, I have done this before. I have done Amazon FBA, I have done Etsy, print on demand, SMMA, like all the things we have seen on YouTube with like Iman Gadzi or all the other big gurus talking about stuff. I did everything myself, and I stuck on this loop. This is what you should do. You should know what you should do, and you should keep on doing until you get your first client, or at least for 3 to 6 months. The first 6 months, I didn't get any clients. I went broke multiple different times. You can literally see all those videos on my YouTube channel if you scroll all the way down. And I will even pin those videos down in the description so you can get the idea of how much it takes from you to be successful in any business. And this is the most simplest business model. You build a website, you give the website to the client, and you get paid. This is the most simplest business model you can find. If you can't make money with this, I'm sorry to say, you are not fit to be a business owner. You can just go with 9 to 5. There's nothing wrong with 9 to 5. This is just not for you. But if you believe that you have a brain and capabilities of running your own business, you have to go through this motion, and then when you get your first win, when you get your first dollar online, that's when you realize you are able to do something with this business. And once you get the first payment, you will never go back to working a 9 to 5. But that's the thing. This is where most of the people give up. And this is the most of the people who comment on my YouTube and send me a message on my Instagram. Like, why is it not working? Why am I not making any money? Because you're being weak pussy. That's how you're acting. So when it comes to business, running a business, you gotta be a man. You should set aside your feelings. Just go with the fact. You should know that it's going to be hard, but you should be willing to do it anyway. Now let's see how to actually make money with the software. You can do multiple different things with the software instead of stacking the features. For example, if you go on a sales call, if you start stacking features, I can do this, this, and this. The client doesn't want the features. Clients want outcome. Clients want money. And that's where we solve an essential problem in their business. Clients know that in today's age, they need a proper and strong social presence and online presence. The best way is to have a website, the basic necessity. So we are building them a website for free and giving them as a hosting fee, including all the other services as a backend, an additional feature. As you can see, website is the main offer, and these are the additional features which is going to solve a problem in their business. For example, setting up a Google automation, a Google review automation. The more Google review the business has, the higher they rank on the Google My Business page. And the higher they rank on the Google My Business page, the more eyeballs they will get. The more eyeballs they will get, the more customers will sign and book with them. Basic max. And this is why you should stick with one base services, as like me, selling websites, and then solving all the problems with this other features which is inside GoHighLevel itself. Next up, how to get clients. The best possible scenario, run ads. Don't beg to clients to work with you. Yes, in the beginning, you should be begging. Beggars can't be choosers. So you gotta pick anything and go with it. And I have done everything. I've done cold calling, I've done cold walk-in, where I literally walk inside businesses and pitch my services, cold DMs, cold emails, cold SMS, and literally everything you can imagine, I done it myself. But trust me, nothing can come close to running ads for your services. And if you keep on thinking about, oh, I'm running ads, I'm spending money, I don't want to waste money. If you can't invest in your own business, you won't grow. Think about yourself investing money in your education, and think about yourself spending money on having a laptop for your business. It's just like that. You have to spend money to make money. And this is how we make money. And as you can see, this is my coaching members ad account, where again, I'm helping some of you guys to set up their own business and getting clients. And as you can see, 30 leads so far, each lead for just 11 euros, and 3 leads for each lead for 4 euros. Each of these leads can turn into 97, 297 to 497 clients, and they will pay monthly. So you have to remember, this is why you invest in your business, and this is how it's going to be easier. Get leads, you just pay for it, and after getting the leads, they turn into clients, and you deliver the service with the help of GoHighLevel's AI Studio. Simple. As I mentioned, this is the most simplest business model, but it's not easy. It gets easier when you learn all the skills. The skills of sales, the skills of how to handle stress, and the skills of being a business owner itself. And this is how you can get started. You can click the link in the description, get the free trial for GoHighLevel. The reason why I ask you to sign up with my link, so that you can get all the help for free. You don't have to pay for my one-on-one sessions, but you can still get access to everything. For example, let's say the community. When you are inside the community and like share your wins, just 2 days ago, a guy signed up, he switched his affiliate. Again, if you already have GoHighLevel and if you want to have my help to sign more clients and scale your agency, you can switch your affiliate under mine, where you don't have to pay me anything. You just have to pay for GoHighLevel, and I can get some commission from GoHighLevel, which helps me to incentivize to help you guys for free. And that's why you see all these wins: 1,000, 4,000, 750, 6,000. Yeah, as you can see, it's not just 1 or 2. There's lots of people are winning with this, with signing up with my link or switching affiliate under mine. And when you come inside the classroom, this is where everything begins. This and this. If you have funds to invest in running ads, this is where you go inside and start running ads to get more clients. Or if you don't have money, if you're just starting out, client acquisition, cold outreach, old school. This is where you start and this is where you end, and that's where you keep on stacking your clients. You have sales call, you have all the snapshots with the personalized website and funnel, which I'm using myself inside the agency, and you get to have the title, description, thumbnail, the ad creatives, which I'm personally using to get all those leads in my business, not just for me, for my coaching members and my affiliates. And after signing up to GoHighLevel or switching your affiliate under mine, get access to this community, go inside the classroom, get to know all the people inside the community where there are lots of business owners. And unlike other YouTubers, I don't let everyone in. We only have 50 members, which I can concentrate on each and every member inside the community. And go inside the classroom, set up your agency, start running ads or start doing cold outreach. And once you start getting clients, you can make use of my sales call where I actually close these clients. And you can make use of my deck where I walk them through this exact deck to close all of my clients, which you also get access to inside the community. And once you signed up all those clients, go inside GoHighLevel, make use of the prompt, which is also inside the community, build these websites, sign them up as a monthly recurring revenue, send them a payment invoice for the MRR hosting fees, 97, 297 to 497 inside the call. And rest of it, you just have to connect the domain name, make the website live, and click off all the services which you are willing to provide. Let's say you are going to provide to 297. The CRM to manage leads, the GoHighLevel CRM, they will get the login details for their own CRM. Lead capturing system, the system which is inside the website. 5-page website, which is built by prompt. You don't have to build anything. AI chatbot, a single check mark. They got the AI chatbot. Google review automation, the automations which you also get inside the community. Payment processing, another feature inside GoHighLevel which you don't have to build it. Calendar booking, another feature inside GoHighLevel, you just have to give them access to it. Mobile app, which is free to all of your clients. This is how simple it is. Sign up to GoHighLevel, start running ads or start doing the outreach, start booking meetings, and inside the meetings, show the slides and give the payment link. And after getting the payment link, connect the domain name of the website, make the website live, and keep on rinse and repeating the same process again and again until you start making 5, 10, 15, 20, 25,000 or even more than me. I'm not pushing myself to make more money. I'm comfortable where I am right now. The reason why I started this business is to move away from the UK and have financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom, which I have right now. Instead of cleaning toilets in the UK, now I'm traveling full time and I'm happy where I am right now. I'm the one-man army. I don't have anyone working for me and I'm still making 25,000 with monthly recurring revenue. This is the situation you should be in. If shit goes wrong in the world, if war starts going on, you should be having the ability to just pick up your suitcase and move on with your life. And that's the situation I am right now. And I'm moving to Colombia in a few months. Hey, this is how life should be. And again, if you want some help, you can get all the links down in the description. And if you want to know how to switch your affiliate under mine, I'll leave my Instagram down in the description. You can give me a message and I can help you out. And if you want a personalized help where I work with 2 members at a time in a month, where I can concentrate on each of you guys to set up your ad account, getting your client, set up your GoHighLevel account, and until getting you your first client in your first week. And if you want that, click the first link in the description, book an onboarding call, and keep this in your mind. This is the simplest business model. But if you don't know what you're doing, you will never get clients. And I can't show everything on YouTube so that I'm not going to saturate my business model and saturate my ads or outreach strategy. But you can get access to everything inside the community. Use my link, switch your affiliate, or work with me one-on-one. Everything, link is in the description. Have a look, and I hope you got some value out of this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.